Hi everybody and welcome to today's video on Tailored Style. So today we're going to be talking about some of the most healthy hair care tips that I can provide for you guys. Power of protein versus moisture. Oftentimes this is the biggest misconception in the salon, is that we don't know the proper balance ratio for each client's hair when it comes down to protein versus moisture. Oftentimes we push moisture, and then not enough protein, and then sometimes we have too much protein and not enough moisture, and clients are oftentimes confused about the balance of the two. I will say, think of your hair as a spaghetti noodle. If you have too much moisture, it's going to be super mushy and soft and just break apart. If it is too much protein, it's going to be hard, brittle, and snap. And so you have to find a delicate balance. Oftentimes, if you are doing a lot more chemical services to your hair, as far as coloring, treatments, chemicals, relaxers, perms, then you're often going to find that your hair is going to need protein. You're taking out the deficiency, you're taking out the protein, you're losing bonds, we're manipulating the hair shaft, chemically altering the whole system of it, and oftentimes you're going to need more protein with that. As well as still moisture. Moisture is always a given. You're definitely going to need more moisture than you ever need protein, but you do in some instances need the protein to combat the moisture to have a balanced spaghetti noodle. Make sense? I hope you're tracking. So oftentimes, I find with my clients, sometimes they're like, I don't understand what's wrong with my hair, especially to all the people that are like super platinum blonde, have really, really bright highlights, change their hair color all the time. If you're finding that your hair is often brittle, breaking, dry, all of those things are the above, and you're putting as much moisture in your hair as you possibly can, then I would talk to your stylist about offering getting some type of a protein treatment. Olaplex offers a great treatment as well that helps multiply your disulfide bonds and help protect the integrity of your hair. There is a new product out called K18 that is a hair mist repairer that's actually supposed to repair hair molecules even after they're damaged. I've been using it on a few of my clients, and honestly, I'm very pleased with the results. Now, once hair is damaged, it is damaged. There is no bringing it back to life. But you can help ensure some of it and make it hold on longer, make it feel nice, make it feel like it's going to keep holding on if you don't want to lose your length, or you're still trying to keep certain hair colors, or just don't want to have to lose too much hair as far as cutting or breakage. And then there's also the Rec and Cat treatment, and there's so many other brands that I'm sure that I pretty much don't even know about that offer protein treatments. So something that you should be talking to your stylist about regularly. If you are chemically processed, chemically altered in any capacity, you need a healthy balance between moisture and protein to have the best hair that you possibly can. Make sure that you are not using over-the-counter products. You want to make sure that you're using professional grade products, buying them from your salon or your stylist, so that way you can ensure that they are the real products. There is a lot of pirated products going around, and they're not real, and they're filled with other things besides what they're actually supposed to be filled with. So you want to make sure that you're getting at an authorized retailer, and that you can make sure that you're using the products that you need to maintain your hair at home to have the best hair that you possibly can. I encourage you to talk with your stylist, have the dialogue about moisture and protein, find what works best for you guys, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it insightful and helpful. And if you didn't know, you need moisture and you need protein. Until the next time, guys, I'll see you. Bye.